If you're watching this, you know you're in Antra's Zook. And today I am here with a chocolate cake. After my buttercream recipe went online, I received a lot of requests from our viewers to make an eggless chocolate cake. Now, this chocolate cake recipe is extremely simple. I am making muffins today, but this can easily be baked in a tin and iced just as I had shown in my previous video. If you haven't already seen it, please do check out my buttercream video for beginner level icing tips and tricks. This eggless cake is made with very few ingredients. It's very easy to put together, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. All we do is sift in some flour and cocoa powder together. With some baking powder, salt and baking soda. The amounts are very important and everything will be written down in the description box below. Now I'm gonna add in 1 cup of sugar. Again, the sugar is up to your taste, but I think 1 cup is good. I really like intense chocolate flavor. If you like your cakes to be sweeter, I think another 1/4 cup would be nice here. I'm using granulated sugar. Now we are gonna mix in our wet ingredients in the same bowl. We'll start with a cup of hot boiling water, in which I'm gonna add a teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Now, a teaspoon of coffee powder in almost 2 cups of dry ingredients will not give you a mocha flavor. However, it will boost up the chocolate flavor of this cake and give an intense chocolatiness to the final product. Now dump in this hot liquid onto the dry flour. Don't touch it as of now because we have a few more wet ingredients which needs to go in, and then we'll start mixing in the cake. The first thing would be to add in some fat in the liquid form. So I have used vegetable oil today, but you can use butter as well. But please melt it before adding in the microwave. Now to add in some vinegar. Vinegar will react to the baking powder, especially to the baking soda, and give you a nice fluffy cake. Now give it a mix, and if you think the batter is a little thick, which I felt so, mix in 2 tablespoons of water at a time and keep mixing. Till you get a nice spoon dropping consistency like this. Now, I forgot to add vanilla flavor before while adding all the wet ingredients. Don't repeat my mistake. Anyways, I remembered, so I added it in right now and I had to mix it again. Over mixing a batter can be really bad for you, though this time I had a narrow escape. Now you have nothing else to do then bake this in a already oiled tin, or as you can see, I am doing it in a cupcake mold. My kid really enjoys little cupcakes. You can decorate it any which way as you wish. Cashew nuts is my favorite, though walnut and chocolate go very well together. Bake it till the time a toothpick comes out clean. The oven needs to be preheated at 200 degrees C, and if you are baking a cupcake, it would take about 15 to 20 minutes. A proper cake will take you about 30 minutes. Do check before removing it, cooling it, and enjoy while eating it. So if you liked our recipe, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon again with another very good recipe. Till then, cheers!